Hey y'all, it's Michael here. Today I just get a parcel for this 6-port power adapter socket, which I find it quite nice. I'm actually getting this to replace my old Aukey 3-port charger, which I had because nowadays I think 3-port USB isn't enough to be used on my bedside product, so I'm getting one of them. I got a pretty good deal for this. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested. So let's get on with the unboxing for this and see what it has to offer. So let's just open this up. Okay, so there's the box here, and some stuff there. Let's see how to open this. So it opens this way. There's some sticker there that you need to tear it off. You just peel this off a bit here. That's the other side. Okay, so just take it out away. So what is in the package? So basically, for my end, you will see that there's a charger here and adapter socket and a cable, and it's pretty long though. I personally don't need the length of this thing here, so let's get into application and see how things goes from here. Okay, as you can see, these are the stuff on my bedside table. So I have my Nexus 10, which I'm using now, my touchpad, as well as some lightings, night reading lights, and this will be the adapter that I'm using now that I'm going to replace. As you can see, that is the Aukey charger that I'm using now. I'll just take it out and show you in a while. Okay, let's just take it out. Okay, this is the adapter for my bedside lamp. This is the newly bought night light for the my bedside table. This is the standard charger that I'm using, which I find it quite useful up to now, but now I have a new one, then it's fine. Then this will be Aukey charger I'm using. We'll take a look at it. This is the Aukey charger I'm using. So I bought it from the US during the deal prices, which is pretty good. And there are some Tech high quality charging cable as well. So one will be about my touchpad. If you remember the plug, yeah, this is the HP touchpad plug for my dock, and as well the Tech is actually used for my Nexus 10. Tech, right? Then the standard cables are USB-C cable, Aukey USB cables. Oh no, sorry, Tech cable is for the USB-C charger that I have for my Nexus 6P, and this Aukey charger will be charging cable for my Nexus 10. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, this is the final arrangement of how the adapter looks like besides my bedside table. So it looks pretty neat though, come to think of it. So end of the day, if you guys wanted one of this, I can leave a link down below to see whether it actually helps you, but I think it's pretty handy to have a single plug with all this stuff. Okay, that's all for now. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe for any future updates or videos that I'm gonna have. There will be more to come, and that's all for today. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.